Hello everyone. Now here's part 4 of life processes, and in the last video we did Holozoic nutrition in unicellular organisms, that is amoeba, and now I'm here to teach you the Holozoic nutrition in multicellular organisms, and as an example we'll be taking digestive system in man. Right? Now shall we start? Now human digestive system, it consists of alimentary canal, and this alimentary canal is nothing but it is a complete passage from where the food enters. It enters from buccal cavity and it passes through a long coiled tube which consists of many organs like esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and finally passes out in the undigested food, passes out through anus. So it starts from buccal cavity to anus. So it consists of a long coiled tube of varied diameter, and that we will be discussing one by one. So now in this video, first we will be learning only how to draw the human alimentary canal or human digestive system. Now see, start drawing it along with me. Now this buccal cavity, it comes like this. This is the upper part of the cavity, that is a palate. And above the palate we have the gland called parotid salivary gland, but you just name it as salivary gland. We have got 3 pairs of salivary gland at the sublingual regions and above the palate, and it secretes saliva in the oral, that is a buccal cavity. So this is the buccal cavity, and here we can see at the sublingual level the salivary glands. And here now it starts at the back side. This is the pharyngeal region. Pharyngeal region means the common passage for the wind and the food to pass through. So this is the pharynx. This is the pharynx. And then this is the food pipe, which you also call it as an esophagus. Esophagus. It is a food pipe commonly known as the food pipe. Right? Now this esophagus is nothing but it joins the oral cavity with the muscular organ called stomach. Now see my hand, how I am drawing the stomach. This. Then it's a muscular J-shaped organ. This is the stomach, right? And after that, this stomach leads to a small intestine. So this part of the intestine is known as duodenum. Duodenum. It's a part of the small intestine, right? Now small intestine is a highly coiled structure. You just draw it like this, make it doubled, right? And after that it leads to the large intestine. You can draw it like this. This is the large intestine here, and below the stomach we can rub it through here just to show the organ, a leaf-like structure called the pancreas. I'm just doubling it. This is the leaf-like structure called pancreas. It is again a digestive gland. Then, now you see, this part, it is the large intestine. Large intestine, and internally the highly coiled structure, it is known as the small intestine, right? Now this large intestine, towards this side, it does get a very small structure called vermiform appendix. Vermiform appendix, it is a vestigial organ, it's of no more in use. Now this large intestine from here at the back side, it comes out. In the small structure is there, which is known as rectum, and rectum leads to the opening called anus. This is the anus. Now a large gland, triangular gland, which is nothing but liver. This is the large gland, this is the liver, right? And liver secretes a bile juice which is temporarily stored in a bladder-like structure called gallbladder. This is gallbladder. It's the secretion of the liver, that is bile juice, it is temporarily stored in the gallbladder, right? Now see, this liver, here a small duct comes out of the liver, which is known as a hepatic duct. This hepatic duct, can you see my hand? It joins the duct coming out of the pancreas, and these two ducts commonly enters into this duodenum part of the small intestine here. So the functioning of this intestine, that is a human digestive system, we'll be doing it in the next video. So now a quick revision. This is the buccal cavity here. This is also known as the oral cavity or the mouth, from where the food enters. And in the oral cavity, these ducts, they secrete the saliva, and from here the food enters the food pipe, that is the esophagus. From esophagus, food enters the stomach. From the stomach, it enters the small intestine, and from this small intestine is highly coiled structure, and this small intestine leads to the large intestine, this part, and this large intestine towards this side, that is the right side, it has got a small structure called appendix, and this large intestine finally leads to the small structure, very narrow structure called rectum, and this rectum finally leads to anus. So this is complete human alimentary canal, right? And we have got two digestive glands also, which are visible, that is the liver and the pancreas. Of course, these salivary glands are also, and inside the stomach we have got walls of the stomach, we have got small digestive glands, and in the walls of the intestine also we have got the very smallest digestive glands called the intestinal glands. So with this we finish the you can say structure of the human alimentary canal, and wait for the next video for complete working of human digestive system.